English, Grade 7.
Tape script 4.12.1.
Monster, monster! There's a chewing monster and it wants to eat me up!
Really, Dara? Is it ugly?
Oh yes, it's very ugly. It's uglier than Mr. Swan. It's the ugliest thing in the world.
And does it have big teeth?
Big teeth? Big teeth! Pah. It has the biggest teeth in the world. Its teeth are bigger than you are, Linda.
Is it old?
I'm sure it's old. It's older than you. It's older than me. It's probably older than everyone. It's the oldest monster in the world.
Are you scared?
Pah, nah, I'm never scared. I'm brave. I'm braver than Supal. And I'm braver than Bopa. I'm the bravest person in the whole school. You know, Linda, I'm probably the bravest person in the world.
Oh, I see. The bravest person in the world. Dara?
Yes, Linda.
Is that the monster?
Tape script 4.12.2.
I don't know what all the fuss is about this new girl, Linda. People hardly ever play games or hang out with me now. I'm cool. Okay, she's prettier than me. Okay, she's probably the prettiest girl in the class. But I'm smarter. I'm not the smartest. Support is the smartest. But I'm smarter than Linda. And I can ride a motorbike. She can't. She can't ride a bicycle. And I am better at football. I'm not the best in the class. Dara is the best in the class. But I'm better than Supal. I'm the best at swimming in the class as well. No one is better than me. I'm like a fish. I love water. I am the coolest in the class. It's just the others don't know.
Tape script 4.12.3.
Best at football. Dara. Dara's best at football. Dara's the best at football. Dara's the best you can see. Dara's the best at football. No one is better than he. So birds can fly in the blue sky, fish can swim in the sea. But no one is better at football. No one is better than he.
Tape script 4.12.4.
Old, old. Small, small. Tidy, tidy. Happy, happy. Tall, tall. Dry, dry. Pretty, pretty. Big, big. Short, short. Sad, sad. Messy, messy. Wet, wet. Young, young. Ugly, ugly.
Tape script 4.12.5.
Thanks for dinner, Supal.
You're welcome, Linda.
So, tell me about the other people in the class. Tell me about Dara.
Oh, well, he's lazy.
Really? How?
Well, he never does his homework and he's always late for class.
Is he the laziest in the class?
Yes,
He is the laziest person in the world.
Is he messy?
Oh, yes, he's messier than me. He's messier than everyone. He's the messiest person I know. No one's messier than Dara.
But you're tidy.
Puh, tidier than Dara. I'm the tidiest in the class, and I'm older than Dara. I'm the oldest in the class.
Are you better at school than Dara?
I am better at school and playing football than Dara.
I think you're taller as well.
Yes, Dara is shorter than me, and everyone says I'm better looking.
Really? But you know what?
What?
Dara's wetter.
Oh, yes, he's the wettest.